Namaste, खुश रहो बेटिया. I, Zabian Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today we will see online shopping pros and cons. So, first of all, we will discuss about benefit of online shopping. The first benefit of online shopping is your convenience. One of the biggest benefit of online shopping is that you can buy almost anything you could imagine without ever leaving your house. Online stores are open 24 hours a day and are accessible from any location with an internet connection. So, the only requirement for online shopping is the internet and a smartphone. You don't need to go outside your home and it is accessible over 24 hours. The second one is your selection. In general, online stores are able to carry more selection than traditional brick and mortar store because online stores don't need to attractively display their items on shelves. They can keep a larger amount of inventory on hand. They also might only have a small amounts of each item since they don't need to display them and can order more from their supplier as needed. The third one is your information. Online shops tend to provide more information about items for sales than you would get in a physical store. This is right. And you can see the feedback from the customer also, which is not for available in your offline shopping. The fourth one is your price because online stores don't have to pay rent for a storefront in a nice part of town and tend to sell much larger quantities of goods. They can offer to sell products for much lower price. So discount online can be substantial up to 25 to 50% of the suggested retail price. There are even some sites that only sell clearance items. But mm, some disadvantages of also included in online shopping. The first one is your hands-on inspection. One thing that online stores can't replace it's the experience of actually seeing the touching the item you are considering buying. For example, clothes shops shopping can be very tricky online since you can't try on the clothes before you buy. There may also be small details that you decide you don't like in a product that are not noticeable until you have it in your hand. Shipping. Some major online retailers now offer free shipping for their products, but many requires you to meet a minimum order cost to qualify or only offer the intensive at certain items of year. In general, you should expect to pay an additional shipping cost on top of the price of the item that you order. For larger items like furniture, this can really add up additionally if you decide that you don't like product. You will have to pack it back up and take it to the post office to return it. Again, some retailers will offer free returns, but some do require you to pay for returns process. Waiting for your items to arrive is another downside of online shopping. One of the great pleasure of shopping at a store is the instant gratification. You see something you like, you pay for it, and then you get to take it home and use it right away. In the case of online shopping, you may have to wait days or even weeks for the items to arrive at your door, especially if you are in a time crunch. Then you may want to consider purchasing your item at a local retailer. Privacy. When you shop online, you waive certain privacy rights to the online retailer. Online stores can track your purchase over time to give you more suggestion of things you might like to buy, send you emails and the sales information, and occasionally sell your contact information to other companies. These days mainly brick and mortar stores do the same thing. Hacking tracking your information through your credit card target is a notable example. However, it is much trickier for traditional store to do this, as you may sometimes pay in cash or refuse to provide your email address at checkout. In contrast, by purchasing something in an online store, you sign away a certain privacy right. This is why it is always a good idea to read the terms of services. So this is all about disadvantage of online shopping, and this is all about this session. Thank you class. This digital session version 2.0 provided by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you class.